Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the PassFab channel. Have you ever tried to turn off Find My on your iPhone, but the option isn't available? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to show you how to fix this issue and turn off Find My even when the setting is grayed out. Before we dive into the solution, there are a couple of quick things you should check first. Screen time restrictions might be blocking the option. If account changes is set to Don't Allow in Screen Time, you won't be able to modify Find My. Also, stolen device protection could be preventing the change. If it's enabled, you might need to turn it off first. In particular, after updating to iOS 26.4, this feature is enabled by default. Although it restricts some device settings, it provides greater security. If those don't solve the problem, we've got a quick and easy fix using PassFab iPhone Unlocker to disable Find My. Start by downloading PassFab iPhone Unlocker on your computer and connecting your iPhone. Launch it, choose Disable Find My, and follow the instructions. Make sure your iPhone has a passcode set, then go into Settings, Safari, Advanced, and enable Web Inspector. After that, open Safari and go to iCloud.com. Click Start Remove on PassFab. Log in with your Apple ID. The program will disable Find My in just a few minutes. Once done, you can verify it by checking your device's IMEI. And that's it. Find My is disabled, and your iPhone is ready to go. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to the PassFab channel for more iPhone tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.